Oink, oink, oink! Mary here! Welcome back to my channel, and for this vlog ay pupunta ako sa day 2 ng Because Beauty na event ng Charis. So, if you still don't know, I am a Charis celeb. Pinagpala tayo maging Charis celeb, so meron tayong mga privileges and everything. And syempre, to support Charis na rin in return dahil sinusuportahan din nila ako. Natouch ako, guys. Okay, so ayun, ang OOTD ko ay itong earrings na to, white shirt and crop pants. Basta papakita ko lang mamaya. So ayun, alis na ako ng bahay and time check, it's 8:30. So bye, see you later. Okay guys, update, nandito na kami sa Mega Mall and meron akong dalawang baby girl dito. Baby girl Jessie tsaka baby girl Christine. So ang usapan ay 7 AM. Anong oras na? Anong oras na, guys?
7 AM.
7 AM na alas.
7.
Hindi ako in-inform. Anong oras?
Guys, 10:40 na.
Okay, so maglalakad na kami papunta.
Bilis naman na.
Maglalakad na kami papuntang. Saan tayo pupunta?
Metro 10. Because beauty.
Because beauty pala eh. So, update namin kayo later. Bye! Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Charan! Metro 10! Because beauty. Okay guys, are you excited?
Yes!
Ticket. So, dahil celeb tayo, I'm getting one. Hi, say hi guys! So, I'm getting one celeb pass. Yay! Thank you!
And you can get your goodie bag near the stage.
Thank you! Guys, celeb! Charis celeb! Oh my gosh! Okay guys, so papasok na kami. So these are my bronze babies. Bronze babies! And ang atin yung celeb. Dito kami sa booth ni Charis! What's up, girls? So, papapicture muna kami. May nakuha na pa kayo? Wala pa. Ito pa lang. Hindi ko pa nakukuha yung goodies ko. So, may picture muna kami. Okay, so Prisha Uys booth. Ito naman. Girl, may ring light. So, guys, Tony Sia's booth. So, wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Charan! Tony Sia! Oh my gosh!
Hello guys, first and foremost, thank you so much. Dun sa mga from day 1 pa, super cool. Ay, sino ba naman yan? Ayan! We're grabe, sobrang energetic ng mga squad mates ko. Ayun, thank you so much for coming, and sa mga bagong tatik pa lang, thank you also for making, or like, for having the time to join us today. And ayun, sana mag-enjoy kayo kasi this is a day 2 na, or last day na natin. Okay, so sorry, haba na intro ko. Anyway, yung self-confidence for me, I guess, is being content and being just happy with what you have, who you are, and yung qualities mo, di ba? Like, alam mo yun, parang wala ka nang hihilingin pa. Yun yung confidence for me, and for me din, yung tipong kahit na anong itama ng tao sa'yo, although I mean, it sometimes may hurt, but you won't, change yourself para lang may masabi sila or para lang to fit in or anything. Yung parang, you're good to go, you're enough with yourself. Yun yung confidence for me. Ayun. It didn't stop me from doing what I did, and before you knew wasn't like even this big. Only a few people were doing it, diba? I think, yeah, tayo magkakasabay. Kasi beauty wasn't this, we were always not accepted. And then, namin nagkasabi yung marketed daw ako and everything. So of course, sabi nakaka-down yun. Pero as time grew on, and more people, discovered or like, got into my channel. Wait lang, there's my Ayun, so sabi nakatulong talaga kayo kasi as time went on, although may bashers kami and everything, maarte ka, ang landi mo, kung ano-ano mga sinasabi sa'yo. A lot of people started appreciating what we did.
Guys, nandito kami sa iwan kami. Uy, hindi kasi nakikinig ako kay Tony. Kaya naiyak ako. So, nandito kami sa booth ni May Layog. So, ayan, may pa-chocolate. So, nagpapastamp lang ako. Pero ihulog ko na yung entries ko dito sa Lucky Draw Box. So, sana ito.
And try all new things, magbagay kayo ng makeup.
Kami sa booth ni Rai sa Pantawi. And ito naman ang aking mga baby girls na na nagtatry.
Ayun, ribbon.
Ayun, ribbon. Ribbon? Okay lang. O, ikaw naman, Ate Jessie.
Because we're going to have a Q&A with them. Oh, they could have that opportunity. Okay.
Wale. Ito naman yung kay Raph. Ayan. So, mayroong Barbie kasi may siya sa Barbie. Tapos, ayan, girl, may pahigaan dito. Ayan. So cute. Ang cute na ito. Pink na pink. I like it. So, ito naman yung kay C. Ayan, very minimalist. So cute. Okay, so andito sa may tester area. Ayan. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nandito. So, yung na-try ko na dati, I know, may video ko nito. So, watch nyo na lang. Ang saya nito kasi isi-shake mo yung essence ng everything. So, ito, hindi ko pa na-try yung mga everything dyan. Ayan. Nag-try. Ah! Sheet mask! Ayan. Ito naman yung items na nakasale. Ayan. Guys, 200 lang yung Mercy. Bibili tayo nito. Hindi ba hindi? Teka lang, teka lang. Craig, takoyaki, and what's yours?
Big Mac.
And yours?
Spam carbonara.
Wow, mayaman. Sorry, carbonara. Yan, kain-kain muna, sis. Ito naman yung boot ni Ashley. Ayan, very violet. Kakagulo sila kasi flash sale. Wow, mga kaibigan nating vlogger. Hi! Si Casey! Si Ate Sasay and
Janela Tesoro.
Yan! So, nagkakagulo kami dito kasi girl, flash sale! Teka lang, na-stress kaming lahat.
Buti makakaabot tayo dito. Dito tayo sa sale. Dito tayo sa sale.
Doon tayo sa sale, girl. Anong naharbat sa flash
Sa akin
sale?
wala na akong pang-uwi.
Ate, napabili ng eye mask kahit di naman nag-eye mask, kakaloka. Kasi naman tayo yung peri-pera, magkano sis?
150.
And yung daily eye mask, girl, 100 na lang. I-promote mo yung channel mo, sorry.
Hi guys, it's me, Casey,
Yun.
and my channel is Casey Ellen.
Oh, yung
sobrang dali.
marami siyang palip tint,
Oo,
gano'n.
mga sis, may giveaway ako. Apat yung mananalo, lip tint, tigtatag
Guys, konti na lang, 6,000 na siya.
6,000 na ako ngayon.
Oh my God, hindi ko alam sa Congrats! Ito daw, Secret Nature. Bakit?
Nature cleansing balm. Sobrang bango niya unang-una.
Ang galing naman,
Parang
mapapili ka talaga.
Parang may minty effect siya. Yung amoy niya, diba? Sobrang bango. Parang katingko levels. Pero sobrang bango
Ano
niya.
to, remover?
Yup. Ano siya, cleansing balm. Pagkatapos mo
Girl,
mag-make.
ito guys. Girl. So ito, nakikita nyo ba yan? Mga swatches nung pinamili na hindi naman pala, ay, ewan. So ayan, try natin. Ayan, natanggal. CZ. Oh, wala na. Tapos syempre, hingi tayo ng libreng. Galing. Bibili na akong 7 gat.
Ito. Isa-isa araw-araw.
Ayun.
Hello.
You're so pretty, Miss Liv.
Yeah.
So pretty. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much, Charis, for giving us this kind of opportunity.
I'm April.
April. I
Very
like.
nice to meet you.
Yes, I like your eye patch. It's not eye patch.
This one is the eye patch
Yeah.
made with collagen.
She's
Yeah,
giving me
it's
a.
for the lifting and anti-age patch.
Yes, and she'll give me a free sticker for the face.
Yeah, sure. You can try. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I like it.
yeah, under eye patch. Oh, sorry. Get down.
I like it. Thank you. Ate Hazel ulit. Suket. Sa lahat na lang. Oo, may mga pa-event. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Your name is? She's the one who took my photos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kaya wala kami magawa kasi wala pa namang eme-eme. Pero nakabili ako sa flash sale. Tapos naghintay ulit ng flash sale. Tapos may surprise meet and greet kay Hazel King. Tsaka kay Krisha Uy. Ayun. So hindi naman kami pumila. Kasi G lang. Wala. Tambay-tambay lang. Ikot-ikot. Diba sis? Doon na lang pa ilaw. Trail na naman po. Sheet mask. 100 lang. So this is...
Coco.
Yes, finally. Kasi nakita ko siya nung ang bango niya, ang bango. Nakita ko siya nung Cosmo kasi hindi ko maalala.
Thank you.
Hindi ko maalala yung mga pangalan talaga. So ayun.
Actually, nakita ko rin siya kaso nahiya ako.
Uy, ano ka ba?
Yeah. So normally, hindi ako nakikipag-approach kasi dati napahiya na ako.
Uy, ano ka ba? Nahiya kasi minsan kasi hindi ko maalala yung name. So ako parang kilala ko to pero hindi ko maalala yung name. So ayun, finally, with her na. Follow niya siya sa Instagram.
Coco Manuel. It's Coco Manuel. Thank you.
Hi, guys, sa vlog.
Hi, vlog!
This is
Ano ba
Miss
channel
On.
niyo?
Malifis, siya, mali.
Ay, sorry, hindi ko alam yung channel niya.
Meryl Lenado.
Oh, hello po! Subscribe kayo!
So pretty. Ang ganda niya.
Hello, thank you po sa mag-approach!
Nahiya po talaga.
Nanawag po kayo kayo.
Subscribe kayo sa channel niya.
Subscribe po. Thank you so much.
Very
always.
pretty. Hi, Tita Vlog!
Hey, welcome. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Isip ako ng isip, ba't ayaw kumulot? Di pala nakabukas. Nabuksan ko na, so tingnan natin. Okay, so habang nagtotalk si Ray, nagkukulot kami dito and I have a new friend. One new friend. Ayun. So, i-subscribe niyo siya. Ilalagay ko na lang yung everything niya dyan. Tapos nagkukulot kami habang si Ray Hermar, ayun.
we get married.
Ayun.
Tapos,
Si Kumaring Ray Hermar, nagtotalk kami, nagkukulot sis, ganon.
The very first video I uploaded is actually a makeup haul. And the reason is yun nga, because I love for two things, makeup and shopping. And I feel like the video that really turned everything around for me was may makahula ba?
Travel.
Yes, the Visoria Hall. Yung best friend ko yung sumagot. Alam na, I only had 800 subscribers. As in 800. Tapos, for some reason, when I uploaded my Divisoria Hall, at the end of the day, nag-1K na siya. So, si ate mo girl, na-excite sa 1K. The next day, I went to Divisoria to buy more things for my 1K subscribers giveaway. So, like, 1K for me was so big to the point na magpapag-giveaway ako. And grabe yung Divisoria Hall video ko na while I was in Divisoria shopping for my giveaway prizes, naging 4K siya subscribers. And then from there, doon na siya talaga nag-grow. And I just want to share this story with you guys because I feel like kaya siya naging turning point ng career ko is because my past videos sa Divisoria Hall, I felt like parang medyo constrained ako. Parang I wasn't giving it all. My past few videos before my Divisoria Hall, I wasn't speaking in Filipino because I thought that I'm gonna reach more market when I speak in English. And parang more on parang wala siyang feels.
Habang nagtotalk ang mga tao dito, andito si Ate Rika. With the blue lipstick. Hello. Oink, oink, oink. Thank you sa vlog.
Hi.
When your life is, I don't like sharing my family.
The Ray Hermar team, yes.
we wanted to be ourselves sa video namin. We cannot really open up ourselves. Kasi yun nga, papasok sila na papasok. Ito pa nga lang yung ino-open namin sa inyo guys. Pero yung iba, gusto nang mag-dive sa buhay namin. At hindi naman namin kayang hayaan yun. Kasi nga, yung mag-English. Tulad namin Ray, meron kaming personal life, same as you guys. So, as much as we wanted to open ourselves, we cannot like fully let you
Alam nyo ba, nandito si Cassie. Boom! Cassie! Okay, follow niya siya or subscribe kayo sa channel niya. Yes, ang pretty naman. Yes, na-meet ko na finally, Mikey.
Hi,
So
Mary.
pretty.
Subscribe to Mary.
Yes, tsaka mag-subscribe kayo sa channel niya.
Thank you.
Guys, ito na naman po si Casey. And nandito kami sa booth ni Laika Pacheco, guys.
Yes! Nandito kayo din like
Ito, meet and greet with Laika Pacheco. Tingnan mo lahat ng juice andyan. Ayan.
Sabi ni Rega sa amin, kuha lang kayo.
Oo. Tsaka girl, may palava cake. Ayan. Oh. Thank you, Laika, ha? Hello, makikigulo. Who's watching party? Go, Mayora! Tapos dito sa celeb booth. Say hi to the vlog! Mami Hazel. Nice to meet you. Hello. Thank you so much sa panakaw na mga muna. Ang saya, may Tony Sia Heart. Oh my gosh, ang saya namin. As in. We love you, Tony. Baka mapanood mo to. Ang aking magandang manager. The Bogswak. Oh, sino ka dyan?
Oh, oink oink. Oinksters.
Wow, yes.
Yan.
Ito ang bago kong friends. Yes, friends. Name po.
Morgan, hi.
Yes, this is my manager. Wow, manager.
Manager
And
daw.
this is... Hi.
Manager din nila akong dalawa.
Alam ako na-meet na artista. Artista. Vlogger friend. The very beautiful Ate Kate. Ang galing-galing mag-makeup nito. Tsaka may pa-studio to. May pa-studio.
Ito yung pinakamagaling eh.
Tsaka, guys, ito yung na-feature sa Cosmo. Yes! Alam mo, nakalimutan ko ha. So this is Abby de la Paz.
Guys, yung magme-meet and greet sa akin, nandito lang ako sa Because Beauty na booth sa right side. Char.
Kasi,
Wow! Oh my God! Uy! Nandito ka si Leon!
ayaw ka.
Hi!
Ka ulit sa vlog.
Hey, what's up?
Idol ko to. Grabe, nakaka-starstruck. Ang ganda. Panis.
Tawa ka!
Ang ganda mo, grabe.
Love you.
Naiyak talaga ako kanina sa speech mo at
Ay,
promise. Oo.
Well, naiyak ka ba?
Uy, seryoso.
Nasaan?
Alam mo, pinagalitan na nila akong dalawa kasi ba't ka umiiyak dyan?
Ano yung video naiyak din ako?
Oo, nung
May
umiiyak
parts
ka
naiyak
na.
ako.
Check ko mamaya para may video.
Ay,
wait.
will?
Okay, promise na. Iyak talaga. Okay, wait.
Wait
Ang
lang,
hirap
wait lang.
maging artista. May nakakilala sa akin dito. Charis. Old friend. Habang nagkakagulo kami.
Ano talaga kayo? Diba? We told you, we promised that this is the ultimate beauty playground here in the country. It's so big. This is the beauty playground where you can explore all the beauty products you've never tried before. I want you to cheer for yourself. Thank you so much for supporting the first ever Because Beauty by Charis. And of course, the participating brands who flew all the way from Korea, from the land of these brands, right before your eyes. Let's give a big shout out and cheer for Team Korea! We will have a group photo. All celebs with group photo. Squeeze in and welcome press. Let's give them your biggest and biggest.
Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed everything. Thank you so much, Charis. Thank you so much, Nico. We will see you next week.
And so that's it for this video, and I hope you learned something new from me today. So thank you so much for watching this vlog if narating nyo tong ending. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much my Charis family for giving me this opportunity. Char! Ganon. So thank you so much, Bronze Beauties, and